In this video, I'm going to show you all the possible ways to play Roblox on a Chromebook, whether it's a school Chromebook or a regular one. It's important to be clear that everything depends on how the device was configured. In some cases, it simply won't be possible to play, and there's not much you can do. This happens because some Chromebooks are set up to block access to Roblox, either on the official website or on other sites. Still, in most situations, at least one of the methods should work. The simplest method is to visit the Roblox website. Log into your account, choose any experience, and see if the option to download the Roblox app appears. If the Chromebook doesn't block the website, then it's easy. Download the app, log in, and open any experience through the servers menu. Very simple. But as I mentioned, many Chromebooks, especially school ones, block Roblox. When that happens, you need to try another option. The second option, and the last one I'll show in this video, is installing the Roblox app from the Play Store. Roblox is available as a mobile app, and nowadays, most Chromebooks allow you to install Android apps without needing an emulator. Just open the Roblox page on Google Play and click Install. In my case, my Chromebook doesn't allow downloads, so it only shows my phone. However, if your Chromebook supports Android apps, the install option will appear. After that, just install the app and play normally, just like a regular PC app.